MaritzCX is a world-class provider of customer and employee experience programs. As part of our strategy, we've organized ourselves into chapters and guilds. Those chapters, part of their main goal is to achieve making those people and those disciplines the best they can be at their discipline. And this is where we leverage Pluralsight heavily within our organization.
We have teams across the country and across the world, and so it can be hard sometimes to know exactly where everybody lies on their skill sets. So Pluralsight allows us to not only use the skill IQ to see if someone's really great at something or perhaps needs some help, but also provide courses and paths that everybody should be looking at so that we can make sure we're standardizing across teams and across the company.
Pluralsight has really helped us with our organizational structure, where we've got our subject matter experts at the chapter and guild level as well as the functional team level, where they can curate the different content on a single platform.
When we announced to the team that we're going to give them Pluralsight licenses, it was like we gave them a bonus. They were so excited. They knew that this could help them personally, help improve their lives. Our platform isn't just out of the box anymore. It's a very powerful, very scalable platform, and we need those tools in order to help the customer.
We are able to onboard people a lot faster, so the first couple of weeks of a new employee or an employee moving to another team, they're able to spend that time going through those learnings and those trainings to get up to speed really quickly, and that's helped us to be very efficient.
Pluralsight and the chapters and guilds methodology works really well because what you're able to do is not only have the channels that you're able to use for each of those domains and disciplines, but you also have the ability to leverage the paths, and then within that you can individualize as you need for a given discipline within the overall domain.
Before we started using Pluralsight, it was kind of chaotic, and so now with the chapters that we have set up, it's really easy to get a representative from each team, and they come to these meetings and we can all just stay on the same page. It's just more organized now.
We couldn't really do this with anything other than Pluralsight. It really allows flexibility within our organization, allows us to take our already great people and make them even better.
Our system is more performant than it's ever been. It scales better than it's ever been. Its quality is higher than it's ever been. I'm excited to see us really start winning more in the marketplace because of the strategic changes that we're now embarking on.